Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Guys, we are almost at 6,000 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So please subscribe now. So in this video, I want to talk about crypto.com, where we're going with basically where I think the sentiment is headed towards an overall crypto, and what that means for crypto.com. I'm going to talk about Tectonic, and let's hop into this video, guys. So crypto right now is kind of a sideways day right now. CRO Coin has come down a little bit, but overall, it's kind of a sideways day so far. The traditional market has just opened up about an hour ago, so there's a lot that could happen with the rest of crypto right now and later on in the day. But as of right now, we're kind of just trading sideways, leading into this Federal Reserve meeting and seeing what's going on with that and seeing if we'll have a large effect on the crypto market or not. If we're going to switch to dovish or hawkish, if we're going to stay being hawkish, if the Fed is going to be hawkish or dovish. I mean, I really think that um, previously Jerome Powell said that we are prepared for a lessening of the rate hikes, which ideally probably if you put one and two together it would mean a zero point 0.5 basis rate point hike. But if the market is really rallying towards that, I could see him kind of coming in and bringing a 0.75 just because that's been kind of the pattern I've been seeing with these Federal Reserve meetings and these rate hikes. But we'll have to see. I mean, if we really are prepared to have a pivot, that would be fantastic, or a just more of a dovish Fed, that would be great. Something that I've really truly learned over the past couple of years now is that you do not want to fight the Fed, guys. It's definitely difficult. No matter what you think, no matter what the macroeconomics are saying, you don't want to fight the Fed. It's very, very difficult. So let's talk about what's going on. So, guys, all of the news stories coming out right now are just bearish. So bearish. It's actually mind-boggling. All of them are so bearish. That to me is saying that we're starting to get very close to a bottom. There's so many bottom signals happening right now. There's so many bottom signals, but so many bearish articles just nonstop on crypto as a whole. And it's funny because as it's going on, you have crypto.com coming out with news about how they're doing so well. They've increased their reserves. I mean, from the peak FUD, they're up $1 billion in reserves right now. And that's in less than a month. It's absolutely absurd. And I love that they're coming out and like teaching people about how you need to watch out for scams and whatnot, giving videos on it. Like that's what we need. That's why crypto.com is so amazing to me, is that they're really trying to inform the crypto beginner. And that's what we truly need to have this industry fully and truly expand to where it should be. I love to see it. So let's look at the crypto.com price chart. So we're still trading in this triangle, still trading in this channel. Probably going to be doing that for a little while, guys. So keep that in mind. The money flow on Market Cipher is still coming out. We are getting close to it turning to the upside, which would be fantastic. But once this red wave right here turns green, that means the money is coming back into crypto.com. I would love to see that on the daily. But we're probably going to be trading between this channel for a little while, guys. I mean, between the 10 cents and the 5.5 cents. We tried to break out of this triangle, but we got rejected back down. I think we have a couple more days here. Maybe come the weekly close, we'll probably have a breakout to the upside or downside out of this triangle. It may not be anything significant, but if we have dovish news from the Federal Reserve, I think that we're going to have a significant move. That's what I've been saying recently, and that's what I'm going to be keep laying into, because I think it's really important what happens with the Federal Reserve here. If we go dovish, I think it's going to be a risk-on asset rally, and it'll be great for crypto.com and great for crypto as a whole. So let's take a look at Tectonic, guys, because I know that you guys want me to keep doing updates on this. Nothing crazy is going on with Tectonic. We're still in this channel as well. There's a lot of channel trading right now in the crypto space because of low volatility. And it's honestly a great opportunity to open up scalping longs and scalping shorts over on Femex or BitGet. And we have links in our description below where you can get free money if you just sign up, deposit, and open a trade. It's pretty awesome, guys. We have a lot of free money in the description box below, so feel free to check it out. But, you know, we have a candle down. We're testing this bottom line here, but at what is it, 7 cents, 7 zeros 9 4 is the bottom. This is the support of this channel, and 6 zeros 12 cents is the top of this channel. I would love to see us get back up there. We also have this trend line here that we're getting compressed in. We're going to need to break out of this to the upside. I really doubt we're going to break down past this unless we have a serious capitulation event with Bitcoin again, but I don't see that happening, guys. I mean, this is a very strong bottom here. If you zoom out, it has been tested and tested. It is a very strong bottom. Strong support. But we do need to see a breakout of here probably in the next coming month, I would say. Yeah, about December 16th is when I would expect a breakout to the upside or to the downside. Most likely we'll have a breakout to the upside and create a new formation there. But guys, overall, great accumulation zone for crypto.com and Tectonic. Great accumulation zones, guys. So keep that in mind. So let's look at Bitcoin a little bit longer because, you know, Bitcoin is what we always need to focus on because it is kind of just the tide that raises all the boats. And we're trying to get past this previous support and now resistance level of over on the weekly chart for Bitcoin. And once we break up to the upside of this, it'll be really bullish for altcoins. I'm really excited to see us break past that. Like I said, going to be relying heavily on what happens with the Federal Reserve. But once we break above this and get back in here, I see crypto.com definitely reaching probably the top end of this channel around the 9 cents range, 10 cents range. But we're going to need to break back up to about the $19,000 price range for Bitcoin itself. So we do have a little ways to go, but really, in retrospect, when we look at other Bitcoin pumps, you know, a 10% to a 20% pump is not out of the question. Bitcoin sometimes just does it and goes into this mode where it just doesn't care what's going on in the markets and it just pumps. And I love when that happens, and I'll be here when that's happening, and I'm excited to talk about when that does happen. But you know, guys, a pump is around the corner with Bitcoin always. There's always a pump around the corner, and we're getting very close to it. Leading up to 365 days before the Bitcoin halving, we are going to have a relief rally. I know it's going to come, and yeah, we're getting closer and closer, guys. I think a couple months away, and we're going to be starting to see some green candles forming here. I'm really excited to see that. I'm really excited to see where crypto.com gets taken with that. I would love to see if we start getting if we get a rally from the bottom here, then it brings us to about the 20 to 30K range, which would be appropriate if we replicate the past run-ups from the 365 days leading up to the halving. If we get a 30K price target leading up to the halving for Bitcoin, I really see that crypto.com will be playing around with the 25-cent range, which would be really exciting. Definitely testing back of this previous high of 12 cents easily. I would not be surprised if we came back up to about this price level right here, about 20 cents. I'm really looking forward to seeing that, guys. And if you like that, please smash the like button, guys, because I can't wait to be giving you guys the crypto.com news when we're back above the 20 cent range. It's going to be really exciting. But, guys, if you stuck around this far, please give me a like, subscribe. I really appreciate all the comments you guys have been giving me, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.